welcome back to Meshascorner. Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite detox tea as well as my favorite Beet Smoothie. First, I'm going to wash the pineapple. All my fruits were organic, but if you don't buy it organic, that's fine. But I got my pineapple, oranges, and my beets, everything from the Sprouts grocery store. So I'm using baking soda, vinegar, and water to clean the pineapple because I am going to be using the skin of these fruits. So you want to make sure that it's clean. So I'm going to cut up the pineapple. This is how I do it, y'all. Don't. I know everybody do it differently, but this is how I do it. I cut the top off. I cut the butt off. Okay. And then I'm just going to slice the skin off the pineapple. Don't forget, if you have any suggestions or would like to support this channel in any way, all links will be in my description box. Also, I have a message at the end of this video, so make sure you guys check that out. If you have any tips as well about postpartum depression, let me know. And that's that. You know, I don't need anyone judging. Just if you went through it, and you have some tips, you could put that at the end. But I'm going to chop up. I got the skin nice and ready to go, but now I'm going to take the core out because I'm going to use the core as well. And the rest of the pineapple that I'm going to chop up, I'm going to eat it this week. So this pineapple was so sweet, you guys. Just so sweet and delicious and fresh. Like, it's one thing about Texas. I cannot stand the heat. But their produce, fruits, vegetables in the spring and summertime is just always on point. Like, it's so good. The only places besides the islands that I'm used to getting like fruits and vegetables like this is Florida and Texas. Don't judge me. I ain't never been nowhere else, okay? Besides the islands, Florida and Texas is like on the top for me. I've never been to California, so I don't know how it is out there, but I think they have good fruits and vegetables in the summer as well, or all year round, I think. So this is the ginger. Remember how dark it is before I put the baking soda? As you can see, all the dirt and debris is off of there. It look light skin now is what I'm saying. And I'm going to peel it a little bit, but not much, and then I'm going to cut it up, and that's it. Alright, so this is the teapot that I'm using. You don't have to use this. Use a pot, teapot, kettle, whatever you have. Just use it. First, I'm going to add all the pineapple and ginger down in here because they take the longest to seep. If you're not busy or you don't have nothing to do or you're not going to work, you could just put it in hot water and go about your business and drink it at the end of the day. But to speed things up, because I wanted this tea this morning, I turned it on and I put it in the beginning of me boiling the water, just like I'm doing here. Sometimes when I make some of the other teas, I don't even boil it at all. I just put it at the end so it could be nice and like potent and fresh. So as this is simmering like this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, I love this teapot, by the way. It's been, how long have I think I've had this for over a year or two now, and it's still working. Surprisingly. Once that's done, I open it and add the oranges, the orange slices, the orange pieces down in there. And then I'm going to close it and let it seep for like 15 minutes or so. That's enough time for me to clean up the kitchen or take a shower. All right, so I'm going to move on to the beet smoothie. This is the beet that I'll be using. This is a half of a large beet or a medium-sized beet. And like I said, I don't put a whole beet in my smoothies. I'm making this much smoothie today because I'm going to drink it for the day. Like I said, you'll get the point once you get to the end of my video. I'm also going to use some mango down in here. I'm also going to use a half a frozen banana because, you know, why not? Put some mangoes down. I love frozen mangoes. I be eating them by itself. I also added some dragon fruit pieces that's also frozen. And then I'm going to top this off with water. I usually use coconut water, but I didn't have any more today, so I just used water. Like I said, I'm doing a detox, so it really doesn't matter. You want to stay away from, sugary drinks anyway. So now this is how it looks. Look how bright and red this looks. Now the reason why I love beets so much, because you could tell when you're actually eating something that's beneficial to your body. Like you literally know you had a cup of beets. I don't know if you've ever noticed. If you drink a cup of beet juice or beets, you notice, like, yeah, I had beets today. I won't be graphic. If you know, you know. If you get it, you get it. But this is how it looks like. Nice and pretty and beautiful. And this is how everything looks. I'm going to be drinking the tea throughout the day. Drink my smoothie. And then I'll probably have like a salad for dinner. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. You guys have been great. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can despite my circumstances. But thank you so much, and I appreciate the love. Oh, I meant to say the sprout of this picture has a strainer up there. So you're not going to get any of the pieces of the debris of the pineapple or anything in your tea. So don't worry about that. But stay tuned for my message. Hey guys, so as I told you before, good morning, by the way. I'm getting ready to go to the doctor's office. I'm going through PPD, postpartum depression, and I realized that I wanted to make this video to show you guys the type of drinks that I'll be drinking this week because I didn't do a detox after I had my kid. And I'm just like, you know, you never know. When you detox, a lot of things happen and change for you. So I'm not going to be putting a whole bunch of them over here. That's why I always tell y'all to follow me on social media. But I'm going to do a colon cleanse, detox, everything, the whole nine. Because I just never did one, and I should have done one. There's that. But this week I'm going to do all of them. And hopefully some way, somehow I'll feel better. And this will be added to, of course, me going to the gym. As you know, if you follow me on social media, I've been going to the gym. But this pineapple ginger tea is one of the teas that I really like. And I'm going to show you how I make it today. My favorite smoothie as well. I love beets. You can't eat a lot of it in one setting, though. You shouldn't, in my opinion. I don't know. I just don't eat a lot of it in one setting. Now, I could eat a whole beet in a day. Or a couple beets, but in one sitting, no. After a while, I get nauseous, but and my favorite dragon fruit beet smoothie. So, yeah. So follow me on social media to see what I'm doing daily.